Hi, in this video we'll learn how to add and subtract the complex numbers. So the general form of complex numbers is a plus bi. This is the general form, and a complex number contains two parts, real part and an imaginary part. Here a is the real part and bi is called the imaginary part. Now all complex numbers are the form of a plus bi. And when you add or subtract the complex numbers, then the solution will also be a complex number. So let's go ahead and take a look at this example. Now we're going to add or subtract the complex numbers in two simple steps. The first step is get rid of the parentheses, and the second step is combine the like terms. So those are the two simple steps we're going to follow in order to add or subtract the complex numbers. So the first step is get rid of the parentheses. So let's do that. So I'm going to write this 10 plus 3i as it is, and I don't need to put the parentheses around it. And then we can also assume that there is a hidden 1 over here. Whenever you don't have anything outside the parentheses, you can assume that there is a 1 over there, and then you can use the distributive property to distribute this positive 1 inside the parentheses. So positive 1 times 23 will be positive 23, and then positive 1 times negative I will be negative 1i. So we're done with the first step. We got rid of the parentheses. The second step is we need to combine the like terms. So 10 and 23, these are the like terms. 10 plus 23 will give me 33. And then we can combine 3i and negative 1i. Now we're going to treat this I just like how we treat the variable x and y. Definitely this is not a variable, but we're going to treat it just like how we treat the variable. So 3i minus 1i will give me positive 2i. So I got plus 2i. And you can see that the solution is also a complex number. It is in the form of a plus bi. Now let's take a look at this example. In this example, we're subtracting the complex numbers. Again, we're going to follow the two simple steps. Get rid of the parentheses first. So I'm going to bring this down, negative 6 plus 3i. I can just copy this part. Now here, I'm going to assume that there is a hidden 1 over here. And now we can just use the distributive property to distribute this negative 1 inside the parentheses. So negative 1 times 4 is going to be negative 4. And then negative 1 times positive 9i will be equal to negative 9i. So we're done with the first step. We got rid of the parentheses. The second step is to combine the like terms. I see that negative 6 and negative 4 are the like terms. I can combine these two terms. Negative 6 minus 4 is going to give me negative 10. And then 3i and negative 9i will give me negative 6i. And notice that the result is also a complex number. It is in the form of a plus bi. So that's how you add or subtract the complex numbers in just two simple steps. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel and want to see more videos on other math topics, be sure to subscribe down below and share it with your friends. See you in next video.